everyone, today we will play a mind game which is called chess. Today I will tell you how to play it. So first I will tell you the names of the pieces. This is a pawn. These all are similar, and these all are called pawns. This is a bishop. This is a knight. This is a rook. These both are similar. They are similar. This is also similar. Both the knights are similar only. And these two bishops are similar. So now I will tell you the points. Now see, this rook is of 5 points. 5. This knight is of 3 points. This bishop is also of 3 points. You can assume that they are siblings, knight and bishop. These both are similar, so these will also have 3 points. Now this rook will have 5 points. Now I will explain you the pawns. I will explain you about queen and king. This is a queen and this is a king. It has no points. It means the points the king has is uncountable, and queen has 9 points. 9 points. So I will tell you how these functions. So see, you can move the pawn in the starting 1 step also, or you can move the pawn in the starting 2nd step also. But if you will try to push after you have moved the pawn in the starting, then you will try to push. If you will try to push it one more time, so it will go only 1 step, like this. Now I will tell you the function of knight. It will go 1, 2 and half. Means these 1. See, this is 1, this is 2, and this is half. Okay. This knight also works similar only. This knight also works similar only, like this. Now I will tell you the function of bishop. See, now I can move the bishop only on white square, like this. See, the bishop has gone only on white squares. If you want, it will show you where the diagonal is going. So this is the diagonal. I can move here. So the bishop and the second one, bishop, is little more different because its color is different. So it will go on black squares, as you can see. So it will go on black squares. Now if you want this, it will go here also, or it will go here also. It will show you how the diagonal is if you will download our chess app. So now the turn is of queen. Now we will learn the moves of queen. Okay. So see, now it will show you where it goes. See, it goes like it will go on vertical also, diagonal also, and horizontally also. See, this is like this. It will go like this. It will go like this, and it will go like this. Okay, fine. Now we will learn about king. King will go. So see, now it is showing the king can go See, the king is. See, so see, it is going here. It can go here also. It can go here also. So means that it can go one square in all directions. Now we will see about rook how it moves. See, rook goes vertically. Rook goes vertically and horizontally. Now we will learn how to capture in the next video. So have a nice day ahead. Stay happy, stay safe.